Hello everyone and welcome to my ManyCam tutorial. Today I'll be sharing with you some tips and tricks that have worked for me when teaching my juniors. I want to jump right in and we're going to start with colors. I use the draw tool. I will choose a color. Today I'm choosing purple. And the bucket tool, I then fill my whole screen with the color. I will then ask the student, what color do you see? If they do not know, I will then choose the pen, a different color, and start writing the word of the color onto the video. Right, at this point, the children normally have guessed the color and will start saying either what they're reading or if they know the color purple. But they can battle with pronunciation, so this is my chance to also help them with pronunciation. Purple, reward them with a smiley face, and then go back by clicking the clear button if they need to see your mouth. Purple, and then form a sentence. The grape is purple. Okay, moving on to the effects. I find the effects are useful for every level of juniors, but to teach sentence structure for very basic levels and maybe even your mid-levels, I like to use an animated picture. Alright, so here you can see, dunk, I have a dancing flower. So now I can start to teach a sentence. I can put on my anime eyes to emphasize see, and we can start. I see a flower. You can now ask them what color is the flower. They might say white and yellow. So now we can start adding adjectives. I see a white and yellow flower. Okay. And the best one is because it's dancing. We can say I see a dancing. Yeah, a dancing flower. So you can use this to make a lot of sentences and help them learn the sentence structure with a picture in front of them. All right, let me take these all away, and thank you so much for watching my video on tips and tricks on using ManyCam. I hope you find them useful. Have fun in class. Enjoy teaching with ManyCam. The kids love it, I love it, and you will love it.